Hello guys, if you are near Emirates Tower or it's just like 3-5 ano lang sa metro, daanan nyo yung ano nila like Christmas winter market. Maganda. I'm with Ate Marilyn. So, punta lang kami doon guys. Check kung anong andon. So, masaya naman mga tao. Feeling the seasons. Tapos, may mga kiosk doon. Nagbibenta ng mga dress, bag, or kahit ano. I bought a cup. Yun lang kasi mura guys, 35. The rest medyo pricey na siya. Kahit sabihin mo buy one take one. Tapos may magaganda din na like mga customize. Yun ang magaganda. I think kahit 20-25 you can buy bookmarks, mga daily checklist, basta marami doon. But I think they are only up to 28. So kung may time kayo, pass by there and ma-try nyo, ma-check nyo kung anong maganda. Yan isang gift yan ni ate. It's a magnetic, so personalized. So guys, try and check it out.